Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
I thought you were gonna leave me hanging.
No.
Hi, Zuko Sisa Loiso Ndima here. Who am I speaking to?
Speaking to Talita Ndima.
What's up, Talita Ndima? Can you put me on speaker?
Yeah, sure. There's no one else here, but okay.
What's up, everybody?
Hi guys, welcome back to Bling Line, episode 13. Boo, 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 boo.
Jeez.
All 28,000 of you.
There's so many Bling Line episodes. So
I
we've
know
been on
already.
Bling Line every week for the past 13 weeks straight.
It doesn't feel like 13 weeks though.
It
feels
doesn't, feels much
oh.
longer. Okay, never mind. Ndimorongo as usual.
Welcome back, guys. And as per usual, we will be reading your comments on your thoughts. And sitsho bathi nasicinga ntoni ngaloo nto into enizithethayo. Ezinye into enizithethayo kodwa zisile chance.
Look, I mean,
But ke zikhona ndi-screen grabileyo. So we can show everyone what we have to deal with.
on a daily basis. What was this episode about? Please remind me.
It was about work wives and husbands.
Yeah. What is the main theme though?
It was in Yaiva. 1 to 1.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, got you. Big facts. Nice one. Thanks for that.
It was all those terms, those like negative new
Oh,
relationship
yes. Oh, Nansika. The negative relationship,
terms.
the toxic traits.
Catfishing. Yes.
Was it the toxic traits, no? Yeah.
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 guess
yeah.
you can call
Oh, not catfishing. Catfishing is not toxic. It was love
Catfishing
bombing.
is not
We
toxic.
love bombing and what. No, man, it's a test of
Just a
character.
game.
It's a ride.
Guess who I really am?
That's what catfishers must do, actually.
What?
They must send a picture of 4 people and say, which one would you like me to be?
Which one should I catfish you with so that we can play the right game?
Horrible.
Let's get into it. So we've got Umay though. I really want to know what her name is also. And I just want to give her a special mention because she always comments in every single video on every platform
Straight.
multiple times. And we just want to say we really appreciate you. Thank you so much for your engagement. Like into yenzayo is actually a little bit crazy because I can't imagine doing it, but we really, really do appreciate it.
No, absolutely. Top dog. I also like, just like looking at this first comment, which is from her. I also like people who will comment with the timestamp.
Yes,
Because-
I think that's so cool. I always go watch the way they're commenting from.
Yes, guys, is that something that automatically happens or is it something that you put in? 4156, because I always go back and watch.
Yeah, actually, I don't know how it works.
Yeah, I always go back and watch and just be like, oh, because sometimes I don't remember what
Babu's tea.
Talita was saying because you
Babu
guys are
comes
always
out
commenting on what
in
Talita says. Oh, no.
All right.
These subtitles are going to be a mess.
All right, cool. Let me get it started. So she says, on the work wife or husband issue,
Yep.
my big sister's ex-husband had a work wife. Saying
Okay.
ex-husband.
Standard.
On their
Is
first-
there a correlation between ex and work wife?
Yes. On their first Valentine's Day as a married couple, wavuka ubhuti and baked a storm. My sister was chilling in bed, esive livumba limnandi kangaka, and thought, breakfast in bed. Kanti ziyaku work wife zonke eza goodies. Okay. Oh.
No, that's not possible.
Wayomvusa esithi usaphuma fast and you went to deliver the parcel.
Valentine's Day yang weekend. Yeah, I wouldn't quite join bomb as 100.
She saw and understood everything umtasekhaya, but eyona yayimdika kakhulu was the fact that that booty took utapawe wakhe wafakela work wife baked goods.
Sounds like a story that I've seen.
Yes, it is. That soccer guy who made the cheesecake.
Is your sister's Kum,
Say
kum,
it ain't
ding,
so.
ding, ding, ding.
The victims in this episode. Okay, let's just finish. Nota bene, the marriage ended 5 months later. No, it's not. Only lasted 7 months. I'll forever respect her for choosing herself.
Yeah.
What kind of thing is that for a person to do? Also, kutheni ubhaka? Oh, why can't you just go buy something at Woolies? Also, it's Valentine's Day, babes. What are you doing?
Tell me just back way off on the work way from. Because also I've been
And then Nimna?
because I've been baking for her for the past 5 years.
For who?
For work wife, yeah.
And then me?
What about you?
It's Valentine's Day.
Oh, we have to celebrate Valentine's. Valentine's every day. I boom drum. And whenever I do bake, you don't want me to bake because utindo zam chisa azinaswekile. Yaiva. Guys, there's so many
I'm
reasons.
gonna bake for someone who appreciates my stuff.
Yaiva.
Ungaduququzele kuseni.
Akaququzelanga.
No, uququzelile. I know the word wasn't used, but it was alluded to.
Baked a storm.
Baked a storm. There we go. Wavuka uPhuthumyeni and baked a storm.
Baking a storm is wild.
That's so wild. You know what? That guy was literally showing you, Chana, this is not gonna last long. Ndisajonge ezinye avenues okwangoku
No,
because
bro. But funny now, sister, the only thing emchukumisileyo is the fact that Tupperware. You understand? Being a problem, Lendo, of which I'm thinking that she kind of had a hint. But it can be harmless. Also, I'm always sounding like Tetelela Maji.
yeah, well, because you do. But it was their first Valentine's Day as a married couple.
Okay. What happens if we don't celebrate Valentine's Day as a couple?
You can't celebrate it with your work wife. That's what happens. Oh, I'm so stressed.
Bruh, she's lonely when you are fortunate you've got someone olapendlin. Yeah, work wife.
Ungenaphi wena loneliness. You guys are supposed to work wife and husband at work. You're not gonna come to my house with baked goods.
Okay.
No. Irongo yonke ndiqhubeka apho.
Ndiyavumelana nawe.
Yes, vuma.
No, ndiyavumelana nawe.
Good.
Kaloku ikhona
Let's
laa nto
move on.
basentsho devil's advocate. No. You understand? Senze show mandi.
Wena usebenzela devil wena.
What?
Are you an employee of the devil?
Andiququzela ndifana la bra. Uthini bra mququzeli? Also that's quite sad. Umtshato uphela after 7 months. That's sad.
Yeah.
That's wild.
You obviously dated longer than you were married.
Or not. But mna ndicinga indleko uyayibona yonke enye into bra.
Ntoni indleko?
Like the monies that you had to pay.
Oh yeah, because you've paid so much money.
You-
Never mind
Lobole
ilobola,
wachata.
neza gifts zeza ngubo, neza jasi zinikwa umalume. You also got married. You paid for a venue. You paid for dresses. You paid for
Wathenga
suits.
iring.
Wathenga ring. People traveled, and then when you woke up on your first Valentine's Day, waququzelela work wife yakho. Next.
All I'm saying ngaphambenanga mna mshita wenze into ebi normal.
Yeah, can't wait for the comments. Actually, I'm saying nothing. Can't wait for the comments, guys. Please don't be shy to comment on what you think of what just happened right now. Don't be shy.
I've explained myself. Okay. Ukuhlula baloyi. Uti OMG.
Why are people like this?
Literally how I screamed when I opened YouTube and I saw this upload. I'm just a 20-year-old university student who loves this podcast so much. I just finished writing my exams today and I can't wait to be going home tomorrow. One of my goals this recess is to build a closer relationship with my sister. No. Because I'm constantly inspired by you guys. I used to think that the age gap between us, 17 years, is the reason we are not close. However, I must say that I am also constantly reminded every time I watch an episode that it's possible to have a beautiful and healthy relationship with your siblings.
That's crazy. 17 years is crazy. Like when you were born, I was a matric.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I could be your mom.
Basically, young mom. But this is beautiful. I love this so much, man.
Is, I'm glad we inspire that for you, Mdanam. Like,
Yeah.
honestly, that's that's cool to know. Also, I don't know. I always want to know what what the conversion is in people's heads when it happens. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? But it's cool that it does happen.
Yeah, I'd love to be a fly on the wall
Mm,
when you get there. But I'm pretty sure maybe you've had a conversation before,
mm,
or hopefully you've also sent the episodes to your sibling, for them to have a look as well, because it always works out better when you're kind of reading from the same hymn, when you're singing from the same hymn sheet. No,
I'm choking. Oh, I need to drink some water.
choke out here. So yeah, that's definitely cool. Paloi, I really wish everything of the best to you guys, and I think it definitely is possible. And I don't know, I just feel like you potentially can have so much fun
Hmm.
with it, because building that close relationship is like having a friend that's 17 years older than you. Whoa, cheat code after cheat code,
for life,
bruh.
right? Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yo,
There's really
that's
no
cool.
reason why you shouldn't be getting along. I mean, the 17 years could have been a factor at some point, but I feel like the older you get, the less the years seem. Also,
I don't know. I don't think so. Simply based on the fact that it's like I always used to say like, "Nge birthdays wow, yabona tata, the 1 year closer to you, tell me to no mile." So I think also that, and also that kind of perception, uba. At the end of the day, it's like your parents will see you kind of like as a child for the longest of time. So umdala. Sometimes yaxabanisa noxabanisa lonto leyo uba, yeah, but I feel like I've got my own family and you guys are still trying to, because of that perception. Ukuthi, I know you umncinci, or nam I've seen you as ba umdala. So there's been all sorts of things that I've thought about you. Let's say, for example, you're older. I've always thought, okay, responsible, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And now there's that thing that maybe sometimes we keep up, or those perceptions that kind of mess with how we respond to certain things. Ukubona like when you meet someone, you're like, oh, man, bengicima ngumntu onje. That kind of vibe. I don't know if I'm making sense.
sort of. But I'm still standing on my point of the older we get, the less years matter somehow. I remember when I was 18, if a 28-year-old was like trying to be my boyfriend, I'd be like, that's crazy, you're 10 years older than me. But now it's like, oh, okay, whatever, you're just 10 years older than me.
Yeah.
But also he has gotten more life experience as a 20-year-old that kind of does bring you closer. Because in Ngagizako, when you were 12 and your sister was 25, what do you ngokola with a 12-year-old? But I think getting older makes you closer somehow.
Yeah, I'm on the complete opposite end.
Well, let's just agree to disagree. All right. Let us know how it goes also. Nobuhle Khali says dating a colleague is not a bad thing. It's the worst thing. It's not designed to end well. Bandla, is it difficult to just have one space in your life where no one knows you're naked? Kunzima yini, just to work, laugh with people, and go home. Getting through the day is work on its own. Manje, when things end, you're gonna have an ex at work to get through futhi lirata stress. True, bro.
Lirata the breakups and drama.
Why so, Luda? Why so?
Because iyakwazi break up uba amicable. Kungabi costless.
Amicable break up. Yes, stuck on that. And no one is saying it's impossible, but we're just saying that because people are not honest, a lot of the time it is impossible.
No, don't say it is impossible if you said it's not
I said
impossible.
a lot of the times.
I just think a lot of the times it can be avoided. That's all.
No, of course it
And
can.
even if uxokile, you're just like, okay, uxokile, brother, it's got nothing to do. Awundenzanga sibhanqa, awuthenanga cha kuwe.
No, but umuntu oxokileyo, I'm not saying umuntu uxokile. Someone was just not honest enough about their feelings while in the relationship, which is why at the end of it, siyaxabana, because you didn't tell me when you started having issues.
It doesn't matter when I told you when I started having issues.
Yeah, but this is why
Okusalayo
sixabana.
zivelile ngoku, and it's like, oh, is it? Oh, okay, sharp.
Yes, but then wapetsula.
See the
before
flags now.
telling me
I'm late. Now
Is this one of those episodes we're gonna disagree on every
it looks
point?
like it. I'm late, man. Now, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know what my thoughts are on dating at work.
You said don't do it. You were the one telling people not to do it. Now you don't know your thoughts.
Yeah, because I'm just like, man, city, man, we just need to be grown-ups. Siyapangela, which would mean buses are grown-ups. You would think that,
You would
right?
think. Yeah, you would think it's a prerequisite.
Yeah. Usinelwa uti, I'm so chuffed. My saying was put up, but y'all didn't mention me. Love you guys, Godwa.
Oh,
That's
yes.
Talida's fault because Talida puts up the sayings. I'm just saying.
Oh, wow. That was a quick blame shift. Yes, so the one that she put up was Tula Uzodeubute. So Sinelwa,
Dog.
thank you so much. That also got so much traction
I was just about to
as
say.
well. Yeah. So when you guys saw that, Usinelwa put it up. Poo 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 Esadleni.
Yeah, because people are commenting, so like, siyayibona le video asiniva noba nithini siyijonge le part eyi-2 uzawude ubhute. And I was just like, whoever sent this saying, mhlambi, was it a subliminal message? Or
Not
what
to a
was going on
podcast,
there? Do
no
you know what I
way.
mean?
That's crazy. That's crazy work, man. Crazy
Yeah.
work.
So
But
thank you very
so
much for that.
Ungadinwa nangomso, babes.
Absolutely, guys, keep them coming.
Bibo Barakap says, hey, siblings. This is the only podcast that brings me and my sister closer than we already are. And I must say, I really love the bond you guys have. Y'all have made me realize how cool the bond between me and my older sister is.
Dope.
The way you laugh at almost everything is so relatable because we even have inside jokes and my dad is now involved. Hey, Papa, using the social media sounds, which makes me happy
That's crazy.
that I can laugh with my dad about anything. Love you loads, Gebandasi. Ow, Barakap.
Dope.
Thanks,
Love
man.
that,
That's
man.
really cool, man.
I love that you're involving the old man as well. I think a lot of times we don't involve the parents and they feel left out, and then that doesn't help in our relationships. But I'm glad that you guys are getting along so well. Inside jokes is now. I asked. And then that's close. Jokes, but that's now inside jokes, ne?
No.
Yeah, we don't actually.
Not that I know of, no.
Yeah.
Also, we like inside jokes would be like when we're around other people, obviously, right?
Yes.
No, because I feel like we're also very inclusive when we're around other people.
Yeah, but also I think inside jokes is born from spending a lot of time together.
And having done things together, where
Yes.
you're like, oh, ngokuya sasibonela film where that monkey did this.
Correct.
Then
Did-
someone does the same, and you're like, oh,
Yes.
asinazo nyani. Wild.
Because do you remember that trend? There was a trend of like Friends. It was Friends, ne? Yeah, it was usually like Friends where they were saying like they've got their own sayings.
Oh yes. I wanted to join
Yeah.
that trend so bad.
But like in order to do that, you really need to spend like
Yeah.
all of your time nomdo othile. Do you know what I mean?
Mdabuza, xa umntu ewile sithini, and then someone will say some random thing.
Yes, correct.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So yeah, that's really cool. I really like that. We must work on having inside jokes. Wow, thanks for being so eager. Zola Khatebe,
But it's not something you work on. This
It
the
is.
thing.
we know how it's built. It's built by spending a lot of time together.
Okay.
Yeah, you're more like you're doing that thing now. That's what you did ever since we were born.
What?
Well, I always felt so uncool to be around you. Chonga, it's a chore. It's a chore.
Know your place.
Next thing you're gonna be like, put some time in your diary and then send me an invite. Talita.
Okay, Gazukisani.
Zola Khatebe. Uti, I'm not that. It's not that I'm having a bad day, Yaz. I just needed to watch the best siblings in the world.
That's right, correct. Poo.
You guys are the best, and when I'm watching you, ngihleka ngize ngikhohlwe ukuthi angisebenzi. You have become my coping mechanism, Kebandla, kumgomo wami. siblings rivalry. You'll forever be famous. The best podcast I've ever watched.
Put that on a gold
Yo,
ring.
hayi, jonga
Best
mtshana.
podcast
Aye,
I've
aye, aye,
ever
aye.
watched. Hey, Eva Chomi. City Abo.
Utye yonke son.
City Abo.
Dangi zipha love.
Thank you so much. That's, I have like such a problem with like believing things like this, where people say like the nicest thing to you and you're like, so that I don't believe you, but I'm like, sure.
Yeah, well, sure. You even put it in text and reread it before sending it.
Right, I know.
So,
But it's just like because I'm constantly doing it, like I don't feel like my intention is not to be the best podcast in the world or the best siblings in the world, right?
it doesn't matter.
No, I know, but I guess that's why it's just like it takes a while for it to sink in.
Yeah, no, I think here I'll give you a saying. When
Okay.
people show you who they are,
Believe them.
And Zola uzivezile wonke. So thank you for that, Zola. We
But we
appreciate
number
it.
one fan yet.
Absolutely do.
Thank you, Zipa. Unoluve Ngonzo says, so Kitten Fisher, Bubu Dr. Matthew, so okanye yenye leyo.
Enye leyo, chum. That's another one entirely.
Mental illness. Come on, bro. Yeah, no, he was just lying to people.
Fanini begula la mjela kustout. Hayi.
Abantu abakhetha imfishane abaguli abastotanga.
Hey, bastout.
What's the difference between someone who's gonna lie about who they are and a Dr. Matthew who's gonna lie about who he is?
So we're saying it's the same thing.
I'm just saying it's a form of.
Like it's just on a bigger scale.
My thing is, yes.
Sure.
My thing is, he didn't do any like procedures on people or anything like that, right?
I don't know.
But he gave people advice on social media saying you need to drink this for this and take this for this, mix this with this and that and that. Shouldn't that land you in jail?
Dude, it wasn't a court case or something.
Yeah, but he didn't go to jail. Now he's out catfishing somewhere else.
Oh, andiyazi man. Ndiye ndingazilandele ezando mna into ndiye xa ndiyibona mna bapew ndivele ndiqome can't ndiyibethe left because also I'm just like, yeah, this is taking up so much time. Lendo ka Tievas. Yeah, so I don't know Noluvo, maybe in a levels.
Yeah. I think
Yeah,
in
my
that
city
level.
enye a level.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
yeah, up. Just like this thing that's happening now. Kind of le trend yenzekayo ngoku of people
Isn't it?
of people who are saying, "But you lied and said you are a doctor," and then they tell you to do the rounds. Ah man, I think it's so funny.
That's so hilarious. I think that's one of
Yeah.
the funniest thing. And the South Africans are just so funny for the things that abazenzayo. Umilisa Khala also Khala said also justice for Pilchards.
That's because I said something about pilchards, ne? That usihlele endlini uqhela utya i-pilchard ngoku. Yo, ndiyitya namhlanje for lunch ingemandi.
I'm you.
Ndithe white bread, dasithi pilchard, dasithi iqanda, dasithi avocado, dasithi mayonnaise. Yo,
You thought I'd be white bread.
yo, ikhona for nini white bread pendlini.
Oh.
Yeah, so yo, I had the time of my life. Yo, guys, la recipe pilchard, qobuti cook beans, qobut. Yeah.
Fuck it's way.
Yeah. Yeah. I could eat that every day. Cha, if it's a ndifune nepapa. Cha ke. My culture doesn't allow for mama ndibeke papa. Ancestors
Ziyaqumba,
This can one say ibaleki papa ka mil food bese kuseni igibisela peanut butter ndiyitye.
You know, the other day I said to myself, ndifuna ukwenza ipapa. Right?
Okay.
Because I wanted to make wors that ndifuna ukwenza
Ipapa
And worse.
intoni lanto etumato.
shatini. Eh.
Hayi.
Intoni? Intoni?
I-
Ipisto.
Yes, ipisto.
And then my mind switched off. As soon as I said to myself, ndizokwenza ipapa, it's like my mind switched off. Did I not vuka xa sendenza umphokoqo. Oh, fine. Oh, fine. And I was like, I've never made umphokoqo fine like this. Then I was like, oh no, I went into automatic mode.
Yes. When's the pogoto?
There's umphokoqo for you.
Okay, and then this is what I'm most interested in. And then what happened?
Then I had to eat my force and thingy with umphokoqo. What do you need?
So uthini bumcupha? Utya ngesandla?
No, I ate it with a spoon.
What a whack meal.
It's this exact same ingredients though.
It's the exact same ingredient. You're absolutely right.
Yes. But I was
Versatile nando le papa yenu yes.
Because I was about umdogo.
Yakwazi uba ngumdoko, yakwazi uba yipapa yasekuseni, yakwazi uba yipapa yasemini.
Yeah, because ba umphokoqo kuningi.
Yo, actually ndagqibela nini kwa uthi papa bra. Who?
Oh.
Inoma lo nyaka noma nditye kayi-1. That's actually so wild. But ke akhondo. Ulungi Mayer Mdluli. Lungi ma. Yer Mdluli. Ulungi uthi, oh sana, tough love is not nice. Grew up on tough love. Such that even when I'm going through situations now as an adult, I replay the responses or comments which were made to me to navigate my way out of the situation. In a way, I'm also giving myself tough love now. It helps Connor to get back in line. Some real check.
Oh, reality check.
But Sana, it's nice to sometimes hear some gentle words.
Kaloku buthe wena ufuna tough love. You wish you had a grown up with tough love.
Absolutely. I do. I like. Obviously, I'm gonna like the part that says it helps Connor to get
Of
back in
course.
line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, I think more than anything else that there's a time and place for everything, right?
Mm.
And yeah, I guess just like with most things, the key is kind of striking the balance.
There we go.
Because xa ungakwazi ukwenza into ethile, umntu akuxelele toughen up instead of like helping you solve the situation. But then also, I think a definition of tough love also has fun.
No. There's someone could say the same things to me as they say to you, and I think it was tough, and you'd be like, oh no, that was fine.
But yeah, correct.
Mm.
So, and as in tough love that I've come to notice, right? And I think a definition that a lot of us have a tough love, love right?
Mm.
That's kind of like that thing, Wuti. Oh, is it? Okay, you created the situation, now you get yourself out of it. Whereas sometimes you can offer to help, but give them tough love in terms of them being able to do something about it.
True.
That's my definition of tough love. It's more empowering, more than saying,
down.
oh, I get upambeni.
Yeah,
you know
exactly.
what I mean?
Being made to feel bad.
Yes, correct. Because that also doesn't work. So yeah, I think having the right definition of it definitely does something. But ke nes gentle words ke ndiyarhalela ke nizazwa umsebenzi wazo unjani.
This is the thing. We're also a variety of people, and so many different things work on so many different people. So we have to now, when you're giving love to someone, kind of know that person a little bit enough to know about. Yo, andiyamazi ke uzuko. Tough love ayisebenzi kuyo ufuneka umsofte or whatever, you know, whatever.
Uyifakela ama-frill.
Exactly.
Hayi kaloku Madlamini.
Exactly.
Nabo bakubhatala kancinci pha emsebenzini.
Exactly.
No wonder untyumpa-ntyumpeke ematyaleni 400,000.
Exactly.
Laa nto yozilawula ayiyonto ephiwa umntu.
Exactly.
Oh, that's how I picture gentle love.
Yes,
Crazy
that's
business.
exactly what it is.
Oh no.
Because if uMadlamini uveske wathi kuyo, ayikho le nto uyenzayo.
Ayikho nje. What? Okay, spanner in the works. What if ayikho? Still ke ngoku.
Just
How
use
Madlamini yena?
different words to get to that.
tricky. Hey, Yamana, this is by far probably one of the trickiest things for me. Like,
Mm-mm.
it's so tricky. It's so tricky. But to your point, definitely, I think knowing the individual. But nalo individual ingayibadi. Oh,
Sana.
guys, guys. This is the thing. Like, a lot of people, for me, if I think, and I is that a lot of people hide behind the fact that uyaziwa. Kwabantu abamaziyo.
Uba ungumntu onjani.
Uba ungumntu onjani. Thina besitratweni asikwazi thina. Thina sakubetha. Ba uyaziwa kokwenu ba wena ungumntu womsindo. Asikhathalelanga sakhanda thina. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So for me
but
it becomes
that
a
person's
bit
also not gonna come to you for tough love or whatever kind of love.
but
Expect.
that's what I'm saying now. Uguti, at the end of the day, it's then there's the people that know me, ne, who treat me in a certain way because bayandazi bandinjani. Then my fear is always what happens when I'm in the world outside, where people don't, where my boss doesn't know me.
Yeah, but
You
this is what
understand?
and
And I get a horrible boss who's a certain type of way, but then I'm the one who's gonna have a horrible experience.
100%, and that's why we are different people in different situations also, because we know when to turn off our kalokundi. We know how to turn that
Hopefully.
off as well.
Hopefully.
Yeah. I mean, some people do. Some people choose not to use that, but we do have the capability of doing it. And I think a lot of the time when people don't refuse to use it is that they want to be the victim in situations, or they don't want to look at themselves and go, okay, maybe I could, adjust in this situation. And then that's not anybody's problem but yours.
100%, especially xa malicious. But kwabanye ayikho malicious is because wena kaloku liqanda kokwenu.
Yeah.
Then you don't realize ke ngokuba akho kokwenu
Kwenu
kwenye
apho,
indawo. Yeah,
ewe.
so it's
Awulokanda
yeah,
apho, you're rock.
situation by situation, and I think it's got a lot to do with awareness as well.
Yeah.
That plays a major role in all of that. Lady Mangi uti, we spend 8 hours emsebenzini. Work husband is very important. NB. Ukabisile uti in the same breath. No, Lady Mangi uti, so we can be motivated to show up.
Ni motivate as your husband. Oh my word. Ni motivate my daughter. Girls, come on.
What? Fandini, auna Instagram, auna ndoni. You're gonna wake up and dress to the nines for who? For
ubonisa ezinye way ba uyobhari.
Ezi zingazokuncoma phone out
Ewe, uyazibona lokho ba unjonge head to toe. Wanibona ba nenze enye umadlavini namhlanje akathetha gqiba kwakhe wasineka apha ebusweni. I know she loves my stuff.
Oh wow. So
Have you met girls before?
Dangam, I've met people that say, "Huh? Hey bo, Talisa, besingayazi ba 25 namhlanje phone wamhle kangaka. Ngeke xa si 14. Othi unganyibiliki. I know mna unconywa opposite sex. Unxibe kahle unuka kamandi espan and you feel like you CEO. You CEO say that's a high five. Yeah, what's up my man? Because unconyiwe. Motivation. Yeah, motivation is scary though.
Oh, my motivation to go to work is that my work husband's gonna be there. Oh, girls. I got nothing for you. Nothing for you. Uthahla kandayeni, why? Always work wife or husband, not sibling. Hey, we're telling you work brother yam, work sibling yam. Why must you be a wife?
Hey, work sibling kaloku xa age gap is big enough. Qala pha mhlambi ko 7 years. Gogo by work sibling yam mfondini una 39, now ndina 39.
Yes.
Mfondini. Hey. Hayi ndiyazi. Why that?
Tell us more. No, honestly, I think that's a valid question. Why did we move? Out of all things, we could be work cousins. We could be work friends.
That sounds so weird.
We could be work friends. We could be workmates. We could be work. What other relationships are there?
Fair. I can't stand in front of this comment actually.
No, because
I
why
can't.
must it be a wife? And it's not even a work girlfriend. It's a work wife. Oh.
Yeah, look, I can't. We solve it the way. Tasha talk like.
Yes, there's so many other words we could use.
We solve it.
Yeah.
Oh, colleague.
Oh, wait. Use it, don't use it. I know I'm stretching things here, but colleague. Oh, wow. There's an actual word for it. And we're like, no, actually, asifune lo gama. Masenze lethu igama. Because i-union ezisizenzile aizo unions of colleague. That's why. Because you're like, no, the relationship we have is not a colleague relationship.
So weird. It's so weird. I've never thought about that. Detective Tasha, we cracked the case. Yeah, we cracked the case. You like blew the case wide open.
100%.
I've never thought of that.
No, me neither.
But it just goes to show you about you assume that that's the only way. Wow, but it was right in front of us the entire time.
You know, the only way,
Wow.
yeah, literally the entire time, the only way work wife and work husband works is in my field of work.
Correct, because
Yeah.
uyakwazi u-actor
Yes.
husband yakho.
100%. And
Umlo,
yes, he is
you
my work husband. 100%. Nina, corporate.
Maybe kaloku nathi a-actor emisebenzini.
Ektelana.
No, bruh. Yeah, I'm literally mind blown by this comment.
Well
It
done.
blow away mind yam.
Well done. Ulebu said, I learned Xhosa from this podcast. So I took this one because I was like, would I listen to a podcast in like Venda?
No, but also
Because we're not. Are we primarily? Is our podcast primarily in Xhosa?
no.
Fine. So, but would I listen to a podcast where two people were talking and a lot of the time they were speaking in a language I'm not familiar with? And if I did, would that actually teach me the language?
I think it would. I think it definitely helps that we've got subtitles as well on the main episodes.
Sure.
But you know, Troy, but I think Panapa, I don't know if Bendiza Mamela a podcast primarily English, secondarily Venda. Because I don't have a clue. But I would watch one that's English in this one.
Because you're familiar.
I'm familiar
Yeah.
with it. So, and I do believe it could teach because, and I think the easiest way to learn a language is also in situ.
Yeah, for sure.
Right?
No,
If
for
you
sure.
want to learn Istswana, hlala nabeTswana. If you want to learn because you generally kind of pick it up.
Yeah.
So I think it is a little bit easier to pick it up in that sense. So it definitely makes sense. Lendo ithethwa nguLebu. And ke Lebu siyathemba uba eli xesha ulichitha nathi apha uziva kamandi ngexesha lonke. Sithi ke kuwe xesha elimnandi. Neqaqa leziqika uqilikwane.
You readers used to be so lame. Shalom Nandi. Hi, Puti.
Bithi ke kuni ngelo xesha. Oh. Kumhlophe. Oh,
That's the news. That's the
RIP.
weather guy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is the thing, like everyone wants to have their own thing.
Their own
I
tag
like that
that
so
you
much.
remember them by.
When nguzola yeah. Bye.
Yeah, those were kind of cute, actually.
Yeah, no, definitely. Zuki Sonomandla. My fiance and I started dating in July. When I first told one of my guy friends, he was not impressed. The guy friend was not impressed. He said I should go have a cup of coffee because no relationship starts in winter.
Ekufuna, I'm lying. That guy had eyes for you.
Yeah, he definitely belonged in jail because a bit shy. In my defense, we started talking a bit in February. When we started talking more often, he made it clear he was in it for the long run. And here we are, 4 years later. So yeah, it worked out. Yep, I think your guy friend. I don't know. And Koshongai.
He had a crush on you, bro. It's chilled. But he didn't want to be that guy. Oh, kwenza friendship yenu ba ibe awkward, ebexela ba uyafuna nam kaloku.
Yeah, shy.
Yeah, shy.
Yeah, because I mean that can't be a valid reason. If that was the only reason that he gave, that's a shady
Oh, he
reason.
was trying to protect you. He was going, foni ndiyawazi amajita fondini. Onoqala into ngoJuly kubanda.
Yeah, but I mean, how much water does that hold?
Not much, because you don't know that guy. You know other people who've done or not done that, but you don't know that
Correct.
guy and his intentions.
Yeah, I think if it was backed up by something else, then at least ube nento bambelela. You understand? Besides your fiance. But ube nento ebambekayo. I think it would be into bambelela. Into ebambekayo, I think it would have been a bit more. Yo, I strict to puti.
Wonder uphi ngoku?
Ndiyabazi ke mna ke abantu aba-strict because
Because?
I'm apparently word on the street.
Like that. Kio K says, Niyawazi ama relationships akwa BBM. Yo, Jolo was top tier dopamine back in those days. My pictures were candy camera. Ni candy camera.
It was, I think Candy Camera, didn't it give you like filters and all sorts of other things like that? I think.
You'd never meet your online partner. So yes, the
You're right.
Nyojola online kuphela. The Nyojola online kuphela with constant exchange of pictures and empty promises.
Yes.
So we were catfishing each other for a whole 3 to 5 years as a society.
No, we won't. I don't think there's catfish on it because with all onga macheram ga PPM now. No, this is PPM. No, Mix it.
Yes.
But you always had the intention, man, and you mean in the Kimali.
100%. There was always
There was always the intention, ma. Don't is a Bloom, and you mean?
Yes.
But you know, the only time I go to Bloom, kuklasi yami nefamily yami sisiya eGauteng sisuka eBhayi. So ke ngoku ndizawuthini?
Isimile eBloom sime garage.
On the N1.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think the intention was definitely always there.
Don't think
Yeah, ikhona intention. You understand? Like that's another man and not juicy lips. I don't think
Also, why were the names always so provocative?
because you wanted to stand out. Yeah, cool. Where's Gumla?
I never participated in mixes.
What? What was wrong? Oh, bad. I told you phone for 3 years.
What year was that?
I don't know.
But I remember Mixit being around, but I was never interested. I was always just like, just talking to randoms.
No,
for
interested udlala phandle
what?
with real boys.
I never participated. I think I might have seen it once and gone, "Nenzandoni apa?"
Really?
And then gone, oh, that's wild. Why is this fun?
Yeah. And I guess there's people like that, right? Just like there's people who much prefer to chat to people instead of in real life. There's also those who are just like, I get so much more from an in-person kind of Nancy.
Yeah. And I mean, to this day, I don't like texting. I don't like whatever.
IK explains it.
Yeah, but I also thought it always sounded so provocative, and I was like, I don't have a provocative bone in my body. Well, firstly, it's not in Nugumbani. T-baby. Like, I just was like,
baby,
no!
I can make your dreams come true. What are you even saying?
I was just like, no, I'm too young for this.
That's wild.
And then I felt like you had to have like this persona of this person who knows things. When I was like, I know nothing. I can't. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, there was definitely a lot of pretending.
Yes.
And definitely a lot of like kitchen fishing. kitten fishing.
Yes.
And all of those things. Sing I know ya. By man by carry all into adulthood. Yo, younger londole.
Exactly.
So, man, yeah, that's so interesting.
BBM was cool. Can I have your BBM pin? Yes. Yes, you can.
Yeah.
BBM was cool.
That was cool, but then usually that used to happen in person.
Yeah,
At least
yeah.
like taking a phone number. UPM.
Ucingo juicy lips. Ngathi hayibo. Wow, okay.
Hey, ukukhula bafethu. Yazi silava ngemfefe zika Yehova, yazi to be honest.
Only.
Kwezinye izinto sasinda kuzo. UPM uthi 12 guys. Really enjoyed the show. Please let us know when you have the next event. Couldn't come because I didn't have anyone to come with, but I subwelled the whole time.
Hey man, so many people came alone.
Yo.
Yeah.
Not having anyone to come with, that's a list of your worries.
That's like saying I have no one to come with to my family gathering. I mean,
I also totally get it. I don't think I had that, actually. Tetanje, because I had my sister there and family members.
yeah.
But now I don't think I'd go alone.
Yeah.
I think it takes incredible, but then again, I'm the same person who doesn't go to dinner alone.
Mm.
Do you know what I mean?
Mm.
So I get you, PM. But I'm also here
But
to
next
say,
time, please come alone. Everyone is so nice, and people come alone, and it's
yeah,
please
come on,
alone.
yeah,
Siyacela.
yeah, because also the way that it's set out, it's very interactive and very. So it's not like a situation whereby you're like,
Uzohlala wedwa
yeah,
ekhoneni and never talk
energy,
to
yeah,
anyone.
it's amazing energy.
Yeah.
And saying that, so next time I'm gonna come either way because I love your energy.
Oh, after we gave you a whole pep talk.
So see you at the next one.
Okay, yes.
For
yes,
sure,
yes.
for sure. I'm in the process of convincing 2 friends to join the podcast so that they can be up to speed by the time the next event comes. Hold thumbs. Definitely. And hopefully we can go together. But either way, we rock. I love that. I love the way that this message ends.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we have kind of spoken a little bit through how it was
Yeah.
and how you would have felt. So next time, bekhona bengekho, we rock.
Yeah.
We rock.
I have a problem with whole thumbs because this is your thumb, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Hold thumbs.
Sofne guti.
This is holding a
When she said hold thumbs, did you do this?
I don't remember.
No, you didn't. No one does this. What?
Oh, but this is crossing fingers though.
I know. Anyway.
Sitaba wrong now. Hold thumbs.
Okay, next time talks to hold thumbs.
Spirit.
Utupitili. I can't say he was my work husband. But Keshem Uchomi has my back and is very overprotective ngam.
Work brother.
Yabona. Andilambi ekhona.
Oh my daughter.
Same goes for him.
Oh my daughter.
Like siya go at work, so okay, siya khalelana about stuff.
No.
Even when our partners are amazing us, we advise each other. I can't define you it.
I like that.
Good for you.
That's not a work husband.
That is your work uncle.
I like that. That's healthy.
That's healthy.
That's a friend.
That's your work. That's your friend at work. Yes.
Yeah. 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 That. I'm fine.
That's that on that.
Thanks, P.
Next.
Upele uti. Hello, Blings. Your son, I feel like immaturity levels dwindle with each episode. Rix. Bro, we actually getting smarter on every episode.
Why are you getting left behind? What's up with that?
What do you mean, Rix? And I'm supposed to be composed. Ingati and Nivanga. No ways. And the worst part is that ndizohamba ndisithi Rix ngoku emahlalini then ndigxothwe emsebenzini. Hopefully you don't work in the Rix department. Imbi lento kodwa
Masiqhubele
Sisimka
drive.
mama.
Let's drive. That was so funny. Ungathi uxothe emsebenzini nawe, hayibo, guys.
Oh wow. I love that. Even though I don't want to lie, I do wish I could have a more positive impact on people. But I love that.
It is a positive impact because iyahlekisa and laughter is medicine.
Absolutely. Just also use it in the right instances.
What the medicine?
When I'm talking to the people at risk, I talk about risk. And I'm talking to Talita.
Exactly.
Talk about risks.
Dim luqhelwa kabi. Is what it
They
is.
sugarcoat the risk.
Ewe.
Yeah, no, definitely. I like that. I like that very, very much.
Thanks for that, fellow.
Mm.
Nom says, I'm sorry, but when we break up, peace or not, I delete everything and remove your existence
Asha.
from my life. Only way to keep my peace. Also, thank you guys for giving me a piece of home. I've been in the States for the last 2 years and I always feel like I'm home when I listen to you. Booyah, Nom, Fondina, Kondo ya, States.
Nah, B ain't gotta come back. What you mean?
This your home girl.
What you mean, your homegirl from Africa? Oh, no, we're so glad. We are so glad. Yo, what do you do?
Who?
You remove all pieces of evidence.
It depends on how we broke up.
Okay, fair.
If you made me mad, and I don't get mad much,
Mm.
you have to try to make me mad, honestly. If you made me mad, I remove. Deleting atubungeko.
Okay. Yo. Yeah, no, that's quite something. But I also completely get it.
Delete you from my cloud because unfuneka zanto zireminder.
Yes.
2 years ago, uqomba, oh, nanku lona.
I feel like I totally get that in terms of nyani for to make it, and I think it also lasts shorter. Ngo or healing yakho xa ungamane une constant reminders.
I guess it depends on who you are, honestly, because other people wanna like look through everything every 2 days.
But that's what I'm saying, Kaloku. So me having broken up with you and I'm not with you anymore and I'll never be with you again, deleting helps. That's what I'm saying.
No, that's why I do it. When now we delete,
So okay.
you just move on with your life.
Yeah, I just carry on with life. Yeah, I just carry on with life. And then you phone yam, they say you cannot open WhatsApp due to space. Then that's all. Yeah, you need that phone. Yeah, you need that phone.
Can you seven get phone, guys? Oh, I'm sure bakhona nina nisebenza kwindawo abo ifone ezikhoyo.
Then what? Some Spanish.
I-smartphone, can you summon guys? Oh, iPhones zethu azikho, right?
But get on that point, you delete yonke into, buyisene no zam. Thumesene imali zam ndake ndakupha zona ke.
Diskile, they're at the shop. I'll go fetch them at the shop I bought stuff from.
Diniki week ngala mali, ngala mali.
Uzoyithini la week wena
Uzoyichisa.
Oh, what?
Andithi yandelete. Delete ke.
Why are you upset at being deleted?
No, I'm not upset. I'm just saying delete properly. Super selective le deletion yakho. Mhlawumbi nalo phone ondelete kuyo. Mhlawumbi. Just ought to give it back.
Hey guys, Masipole Buru says, nibe nihleki izikhazolo. I have a bone to pick. Oh, yintoni isikhazolo? Kuba, we grew up hearing this phrase a lot and nathi siyazisebenzisa nje. But now that Sister Lita mentioned it in this episode, I was like, in actuality, yintoni isikhazolo? So I asked Mom last night because that's the one person I used to hear that word from the most. And she was like, ukuhleka wethu like kakhulu ngevika. And I was like, well, sure. Yeah, it's a big laughter.
Yeah, couldn't have put it better myself. I comment and I pain. I don't know what to say. But I know it's very similar to what you did just now.
Abantu abangazihleki isikhazolo ngabelungu.
Yeah.
Wake wavumlungu ihleki isikhazolo. Bahleki iziqhangomso.
Hayi ke. So uyabona uzophinda ufuna ku-explain ke ngokuba what uyintoni ke ngoku leyo. Yeah, I think it's big laughter.
I'm
It's
very
like
unsatisfied
laughing
with that.
vigor.
Okay. I'll take it, bro, because I've got nothing to put on the table. Do you know what I mean?
Mm.
I'll definitely take it, but so what I always try and do is to put it in a sentence.
Okay.
And I never heard anyone saying, hey man, that guy was laughing with vigor.
Because it doesn't exist in the English language because abayenzi.
Nah, B.
Yes!
Talita. No, that's not even a thing. Is that a serious thing to you?
Yes.
No, I don't think that's a thing, bro. That's not a thing.
Wow. I mean, okay.
Tali, guys, is it a thing? Let me tell Talita, please.
Khona
Confirm.
nisixelele.
Yeah.
Mm.
But yeah, I think that brings us to the end of the show. So thank you so much for joining us. And we are so glad to receive the positive feedback. We're so glad to receive the learnings. We're so glad to receive the laughter and the insights and the questions. So shout out to you guys. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the comments. We appreciate you guys a lot. And we'll be back next week with another episode of Bling Line just for you.
You know what it is. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.